This is episode 1630. Welcome to the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I congratulate you for giving yourself permission to slow down, to connect to the best part of who you are. In today's episode, you will be guided using a meditation technique to help you feel grounded. And this is part of a series of meditations this week following the theme of a recipe for gratitude, a recipe to live your life with gratitude. A mudra is a way you stimulate nerve endings on your hands and fingers that corresponds with a region of your brain. Mudras are often referred to as yoga in your hands. And the mudra I'm sharing with you today is very easy, although you can see a photo of it and how it's done on the Sipanome Facebook page. I always share a photo there. And this is called the Prithvi Mudra. It's simple to do as you rest your hands on your lap with your palms upward. You will touch your thumb tip to the tip of your ring finger. And that's it. When you do this mudra, it helps you to feel more grounded. You often see statues in Asia doing this Prithvi Mudra, touching the thumb to the ring finger, the thumb tip to the tip of the ring finger. And when you feel grounded, you naturally open up to those higher aspiring emotions such as gratitude, love, joy, compassion, forgiveness. And these are emotions that are lighter feeling. And it's difficult to feel these emotions when you feel heavy with remorse or regret or fear or self-doubt. And so an ingredient I want to share with you today for your recipe for gratitude to live your life is exactly what you are doing. It's to meditate. You already likely know the benefits of meditation if you are here. You may be new to meditation, trying to figure it all out, or you may be a long-time meditator, looking for inspiration each day. Either way, what you are doing for yourself is profound. You are creating new neural pathways in your brain. You are activating, when you meditate, your prefrontal cortex. And what this means is that you still will experience stress, but you're able to process it in a much better way. When stress, trauma, those powerful emotions come your way, you reach more towards the lighter emotions of compassion, of gratitude, of love in handling your emotions. When you don't meditate or you don't have a reflective type of ritual in your life, you're more likely to respond to stress, even everyday stress, with worry and fear, self-doubt. And as a result, you are activating and strengthening the part of your brain that harbors your amygdala. So you manage stress with fear, anger, self-doubt. So you can reach for the light in a much better way when you meditate. So as you get ready to settle yourself down to do your meditation today, you may do the Prithvi Mudra to help you feel grounded as you meditate. Focus on what you're grateful for in your life. Those people, those places that inspire you, the activities that make you feel alive, goals that keep you reaching for more fulfillment in your life, and for connections with the world around you. Meditate to the point where you could go a little further. Always end your meditation on a high note. You are so worth slowing down for.